peed my pants. Hey guys, it's Little Miss Wannabe Homesteader. So Ryer is going to roll this snowball all the way down there.
Vehicles,
Tiny, I'm trying to record this for my channel.
I know, but would you rather be
okay,
or would you rather record your channel? You have the road.
Ran over. I choose ran over. I'll do anything for my viewers. This is what you call the snowball challenge.
Yeah. Come on, Buggy.
Don't give up. You got this.
Hang on, get out of the road for a second. Let the semi go through.
Ow!
It's just a
That
snowball.
wasn't nice.
It was a snowball, Tiny. It was
like,
very nice.
You sound like Brent.
Don't get mad at me when you complain about your Dunlap disease in the video.
For me?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't be filming me then.
What's a Dunlap disease?
It's when his belly done and lapped over his belt.
Yep.
We were waiting all day. We wait on the truck. Right in the behind.
In the butt crack. In the butt crack. In the butt crack.
Yeah!
Yes, get him!
Oh!
My shield.
Woo!
No, not me!
Oh no!
Your snowball is going to melt by the time you get to the hill.
Oh, somebody's got to put the chains on. Come on, Buggy. Wait, I just kind of hit you like a stun ball. Come on, Buggy. Oh, wow. Okay, all right.
All right!
Don't give up! Don't give up! You're terrible. 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 Terrible.
Trash.
Terrible.
All right, go ahead.
What are you going to do with that, pumpkin?
All right, you roll your ball then.
What happened, Ryer?
Off the side. While trying to roll it.
Wonder what else you have stuck in that snowball. Couple squirrels, dogs, cats. Whoa! Why you enjoy throwing snowballs at me so much?
My little Tiny, I love you.
That's how you show your love?
Yep, I throw snowballs at you.
Dad!
Good one, Brent.
I hit you with your own snowball.
I'm too weak.
Whoa.
Yeah. That was me. What? That's messed up. The snowball hates me. The snowball hates me.
Rejected.
How you doing? Next 5 minutes falls over. Dang. This wasn't even an adventure.
What
The
do you
adventure
think
is
about
getting it back
this
home.
snowball challenge, Ryer? You think it's going well?
Alright, my turn. Yeah. Break. Fire, don't fall over.
Brent, what do you think about the snowball challenge? Do you think it's going well?
Oh my gosh. No.
Why not?
Because it's too heavy.
Whoa.
Stop.
Ready? It's gonna go down the hill. Go, 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 go. Get the momentum going. Go, go. It's ready. It's ready. Go. Tiny, get it started.
Come on, they can do it. Watch.
Okay, Ryder. Okay, 3.
Whoa.
Okay, no, Keith, we got this.
Oh, you got it? Okay.
No, yeah, we
Okay,
got
right. What we gotta do is I pushed it forward, you pulled it back then.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Teamwork. 3, 2,
Jay, don't want some help?
1.
Ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
Set. Go.
I caught dibs next.
Lane.
Push her more. Push her more. Whoa.
Is that right? I keep falling.
Lane.
Keep going.
Keith, you're new. Keep going.
Can I try?
Keep going. Is this right? Keep going.
Oh.
You okay, Tiny?
Oh no. I peed my pants.
You did?
Yeah.
Down, stay over
There's
here.
pee coming out.
Ew.
Oh Lord.
Right. I don't ride. Rachel fell and then she peed.
I peed my pants.
She did? Where's she?
I didn't do it! Mean!
We got this.
3, 2, 1, go.
Right in my teeth.
This is how far they have to go. It's right there.
Push.
They've come all
Right,
that
we
way.
may need help. Go.
You have to build up the momentum right
One
here.
man.
Keep pushing. Tiny, let Keith help you.
Okay, Keith, help. Keith, help. Keith, help.
Go, 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 go. Go, go.
We should make it a snowman right here and have him waving
Do you want
to people. Use
Yeah.
him.
Ryder, that sounds like a freaking amazing
Someone go
idea.
get Kaylee.
I'll put him right next to the guardrail.
Snowball challenge turned into a snowman challenge.
Ripped in the chat.
Tiny. Are you okay, Tiny?
That hurt.
Sorry. Look at me, baby. You got snow all over your mustache.
I almost fell.
There you go.
What do you have there, Ryer?
A geocache. You won't come out. Hold on.
You're taking a break from snowman building
Yeah, it's hard to get
to
out.
check out a geocache.
Yes, it's very hard to get out though.
Don't do that. You're going to break my ball.
I can't. Hold on. See if they replaced it. Hunter, pull it out.
Be careful. Cute.
I guess they made a new one.
Okay.
Dang!
New log, it says.
Dang!
Okay, roll it back up nice. All right, guys. Well, our snowball challenge slash snowman challenge came to an abrupt stop when a man who claims that we were on his property came out and told us to get off his property. The kids were pretty disappointed. We had been working on that snowman for 2 hours. I'm thinking he could have just said, you know, please, you know, hurry up and make the snowman, and when you're done, please exit my property. So we all left, and I didn't get a chance to take a picture of the snowman, so we're gonna head back on over there and get a quick picture so you guys could at least see what we ended up with. Regardless of the cranky man, we all had a great time, and it was such a fun family day. But there he is. It was fun. We had a good time. Happy New Year, everyone. Just take a moment to thank everybody, all of my subscribers and followers on Instagram. This has been such a fun year. I've enjoyed having a YouTube channel and getting to know all you and building relationships. I'm looking forward to 2019, and I know I've slacked off on videos the last couple of months. We had some things going on, but I will get back on track. Have a great New Year's.